Good evening. Allie Clark here talking for my week 6 discussion. And I wanted to start off by saying how much I've enjoyed the reading and, this past 6 weeks. And really, it's helped me as a leader learn how to look and read through a different perspective. I feel like a lot of our reading, I had to take away my original plan of reading and understanding, and like we were told in the first week, to take more of a global perspective on when reading. And I've tried to do that to the best of my ability, and I can see where it is affecting my work habits in a positive way. And this week a couple of our questions were, how are we going to make sure that other members feel like it's okay to come to their leaders, their supervisors, with their thoughts, their problems. And I actually had asked my mentor this a couple of weeks ago because I was dealing with a certain situation. And one of the things that she instructed me to do is that always have an open mind whenever I go to start talking to my employees about situations or troubles or problems that they're having in the workplace, to not ever come with a closed mindset that I already know the backstory, and that I already understand why my employee feels like they feel, because I truly don't know what they're going through in their home life. And we all know that our home life can have a positive or a negative effect on our work life and how we are able to be effective on our jobs. And so I took that piece of advice, and what I started doing, whenever I had employees come to me with issues that they were seeing on our team, and we have about 17 people on our team that I'm over, I would assure them that I hear the problem, and not say that I understand their problem, because I don't understand their problem, but I would ask them in return, would you set an appointment on my calendar so that we can meet and we can talk through this, so I have a better understanding of where you're coming from? But also at this meeting, I would like for you to come with a solution. And I found whenever I started asking for my employees to have a solution for their own problems, the problem on their side, it diminished a whole lot, because they realized that their problems weren't always with all of the team. It might be, whenever they've stepped back and looked at it, it was a problem with their own time management, or a problem with their own understanding of a specific way that we do things, and an efficient way that we are now handling a certain type of business. And so that's one of the steps that I have felt that has made my leadership more effective. It's something that I want to continue. I don't always feel comfortable and confident, especially with workers that have been here for a long time, that, I'm now their supervisor. And, when they come to me a problem, and they come with they come in the defense, they have a defensive attitude already about them. And I can't blame them, because I probably would do the same thing if I've been here for 15 years and I feel I've been done wrong. And so instead of being personally offended by their defensive attitude, and they want me to fix it right then, that I've actually realized that me not telling them I know what you're talking about, because they know that I don't know exactly. They have this whole long backstory. And so not coming to it like I already know what their problem is, coming at it like, I would like to hear more. I would like to hear why you have this problem. And can you help me better our team by having a solution to fix this, so no one else has to go through it? So that's the type of culture that I want to create on my team, that my team feels like I take their opinions to heart. I don't know everything. Not one of us knows everything. It talks about that in the Bible, that we're to strive to reach perfection and to be like Christ. None of us are there yet. And I have to put myself in the same shoes at work, that just because I'm the supervisor doesn't mean I have all the best solutions. It doesn't mean that I know how to do everything 100%. And so, being open to my employees' feedback is a main goal of mine, and creating a culture where they feel open and they don't feel like I'm a closed off person, and that they feel comfortable coming to me with their problems, knowing that I truly am going to do my best to try to alleviate that stress out of their daily workload.